So I'm going to show you, this is the Wrinkle Defence, which goes on underneath your moisturiser. You can use it day or night or both. It's perfect for dehydrated, aging or dry skin, and it just gives you that extra bit of protection. I'm just going to show you how much I use. I'm just going to use about that much. Actually, it's probably a little bit too much. And we just pop that on before our moisturiser. Feels so nice on. Go down the neck as well. Okay, so that's your Wrinkle Defence, and it's just a really, really rich cream that gives you that extra moisture that you need to help to fight the wrinkles and those little lines that start appearing. So it's a bit of a prevention as well as a treatment. So you've got your, what have we got in it? It's got hyaluronic acid, which is one of the most moisturising ingredients in the world, and it helps to lock in that moisture, so it helps to just keep everything in there and stop the moisture from escaping from outside your skin. So it keeps you nice and supple and moisturized. But yeah, especially for if you work in an office or an air-conditioned building, it's perfect because it's the artificial heating and air conditioning just dehydrates your skin, just sucks the moisture out of your skin. So the hyaluronic acid in the Wrinkle Defence helps to keep that moisture in, which is what you want. Okay, have a good day. Let me know if you've got any questions. Bye.